I wanted to test something that sounds great on paper, but usually gets complicated in real life. Can Unstract actually take the boring data entry work out of a workflow? Because if you ever had to copy information from PDFs, invoices, forms, or messy documents into a spreadsheet, you already know how painful that can be. It's repetitive, slow, and honestly, it's exactly the kind of work I'd rather have a machine handle. What caught my attention with Unstract is that the focus isn't just on reading a document. It's about turning unstructured information into something you can actually use. Instead of opening document after document and manually finding the same pieces of information, the idea is to let AI pull that information out and structure it for you. And that's a much bigger deal than it sounds. Imagine you're running a business and every week you're dealing with invoices, receipts, applications, reports, or customer documents. The information you need might be buried in completely different layouts. One invoice puts a total at the top, another puts it at the bottom, and another one looks like it was designed in 1998. That's where manual data entry starts eating your time. But here's the part I'd pay attention to. AI extracting information doesn't mean you should blindly trust everything it gives you. If the data is going into accounting software, a CRM, a database, or anything important, you still want to check the results, especially when a small mistake can create a much bigger problem later. So I wouldn't look at Unstract and think, great, humans don't need to touch documents anymore. I look at it as, how much of the repetitive work can I remove while keeping a human in control of the important stuff? That's a much more realistic use case. And for businesses, agencies, and startups, that's where I think this gets interesting. You could have people spending less time opening documents and copying fields around, and more time doing work that actually requires judgment. Even freelancers could use this kind of workflow when dealing with large batches of client documents. Instead of manually organizing everything, AI can handle the first pass and leave you with structured information to review. So, could Unstract kill manual data entry completely? Probably not. But if it can take a workflow that normally takes hours and turn most of it into an automated process, that's already a pretty big win. And honestly, that's the kind of AI automation I find more exciting than another chatbot, because nobody dreams about spending Saturday afternoon copying numbers from PDFs into Excel. So here's my question. What's the most annoying,